Parenting is hard, really hard. You love with every fiber of your being, you want the best for your children, but some days feel heavier. When your child has special needs, the world can feel even heavier. Appointments, therapies, paperwork, the weight of worry, the fear of tomorrow. It's okay to not be okay. You are not alone, you are strong, you are brave, you are doing your best. And sometimes, the best thing you can do for your child is to take care of yourself. Deep breath in, feel the air fill your lungs, expanding your chest, bringing life into your body. This simple act of breathing is more powerful than you might realize. Hold it, let it go, feel the tension ease. As you exhale, imagine all your worries and stress leaving your body. Each breath out is a release, a moment of peace. This is the power of your breath. It grounds you, centers you, and brings you back to the present moment. In this space, you find clarity and strength. It's always there for you, a lifeline in the chaos. No matter where you are or what you're doing, your breath is a constant companion, ready to bring you back to yourself. 5 minutes. That's all you need, just 5 minutes to pause, to breathe, to reconnect with your inner self. In these moments, you can find a sense of peace and balance. 5 minutes to step away from the world and find your center. In this short time, you can create a space of calm and tranquility, a refuge from the busyness of life. 5 minutes to breathe, to be present, to refill your own cup. 5 minutes to remember that you are more than your responsibilities. You are a human being, deserving of care and attention. You are not defined by your to-do list. Your worth is not measured by your productivity. Take this time to let go of the pressure and just be. You are not just a parent, a caregiver, a therapist. You are a unique individual with your own needs and desires. It's important to honor and nurture yourself. You are a person, worthy of love and care. Embrace this truth and let it guide you in your journey. Remember, your breath is your strength, always there to support you. Find a quiet space. This could be a corner of your home, a serene spot in your office, or any place where you feel at peace. Make sure it's a place where you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, allow your body to relax. Feel the weight of your body being supported by the chair or the floor beneath you. Let go of any tension in your shoulders, neck, and back. Feel your feet grounded on the floor. Imagine roots growing from your feet, anchoring you to the earth. These roots provide stability and strength, connecting you deeply to the ground beneath you. Breathe in for a count of 4. Hold for 4. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest and abdomen. Notice the pause as you hold your breath, a moment of stillness. Breathe out for 4. Repeat. As you exhale, feel the air leaving your body, taking with it any stress or tension. Continue this breathing pattern, allowing each breath to bring you deeper into relaxation. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. With each breath, become more aware of the sensations in your body, the gentle rhythm of your breathing. Your mind might wander. That's okay. It's natural for thoughts to come and go. When you notice your mind drifting, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Gently guide it back to your breath. Like a butterfly landing on a flower then fluttering away, gently guide it back. Each time you return to your breath, you strengthen your focus and calm your mind. Now bring to mind your child. See their face, their smile. Picture them in a moment of happiness, a time when they were truly joyful. Feel love for them, unconditional love. Breathe that love into your heart. Let it fill you up. Allow this feeling of love to spread throughout your body, bringing warmth and peace to every part of you. Section 4. Words of Light, Affirmations for the Heart. As you breathe, repeat these words to yourself. I am patient, I am strong, I am enough, I am doing my best. Choose words that resonate with you, words that bring you peace, courage, and hope. Let these words wash over you, calming the storm inside. These affirmations are not meant to erase the challenges. They are reminders of your inner strength, your capacity to love, your resilience in the face of adversity. Section 5. You are worthy, you are strong, you are enough. This is a reminder that in the midst of all the chaos and responsibilities, you are deserving of love and care. Taking care of yourself is not selfish, it is essential. When you take time to nurture your own soul, you are replenishing your energy and spirit. When you prioritize your well-being, you are better equipped to care for your loved ones. Go for a walk, listen to music, call a friend. These small acts of self-care can make a big difference in your overall happiness and health. Do something that brings you joy, that reminds you of who you are beyond your role as a parent. Engage in a hobby, read a book, or simply take a moment to enjoy the beauty of nature around you. You are not alone on this journey. There are others who share your experiences and understand your struggles. There is strength in community, in shared experiences, in knowing that others understand. Join a support group, connect with other parents, and share your stories. Reach out, connect. You deserve support. Remember, you are worthy, you are strong, you are enough. Embrace the support around you and let it lift you up. And you are doing an amazing job. Every day you are making a difference in the lives of your loved ones. Keep going and never forget your worth.